CFA from 89 to 91. 89 I joined at R&D at Sean and Mark. So I had at that time I had a lot of I had a lot about PSI R&D about the work they are doing, and I was very ambitious at that time. I joined, and then it gave a lot of opportunity to I went from the academic, and then it gave a lot of opportunity here. And I enjoyed, and in a way, it gave an opportunity for me to get into Verifone, my stint in PSI, and quite a bit of people in Verifone also. Sri Shaila, and then R. Srinivasan. So that gave, it's like we do reusable asset development for different industries. So I don't know much, nothing much stories to talk about. And I thank everybody, and thank Shekhar specifically for organizing this. Because Bainataman too.
You know me as Bhaskar Rao from 79 to 90, and I was in the customer support initially, then moved on to product engineering. I was also part of the Indiranagar manufacturing team for a short while. And, good to see you all again, and Shekhar especially, thanks for making this happen. Last year too, I mentioned that I was in various industries in the embedded space and in IC design space, and I started Technosphere in just 5 years ago, and the last year has been very interesting. Just 2 weeks ago, our product was featured in the newspaper, where the Commonwealth gold medalist shooters used our product as a shooting target to practice and make themselves perfect. So quite a few of the gold medalists have said this product has been very useful for them. Of course, it's our product in the sense we do a design service, so it never shows up as a Technosphere product, but the electronics and the embedded system is what we have done. The rest of it, of course, customers, concept and mechanical, etc. So this is what we do. We do a lot of embedded design. We've grown last year, we were maybe 12, today we are at 20. So we are on a journey to, with a lot of new product ideas, with Internet of Things, with a lot of communication, machine to machine. So this kind of work we're doing, and it's been a nice journey. And of course the base has been PSI, where the fundamentals we picked up so well, and there were such good leaders who helped us to get groomed very well. This was my first job. Actually, I quit an offer from Kionix and joined PSI, and everyone in my family were really wondering whether I am a stable guy, because getting into such a at that time private industry was not well received. Banks and public sectors were the way to get a career. So when I made the move, I had a lot of risk alarms from my family, but they all have accepted that the decision was good, and it's helped me and maybe a lot of my colleagues, and also because I also have recruited and trained quite a few people, and they've all also benefited from this whole journey. So thanks again, Shekhar. So it's been great, and I really look forward to attending many more such events.
I want to add my own associate with him. So I used to be in the software R&D of Omni Machine, and he was in the production at the time. Whenever there is a problem, the system doesn't go, his magic hand was required. Call Bhaskar Rao, he will just take the card and push it in and go. Okay. Many stories, even you deliver a machine and there is a problem to the customer, send Bhaskar Rao, he will solve the hardware problem. Even if there is a delay, he will pacify the customer. Okay. Until the problem is solved. So he was such a magic figure in the company, in the hardware division.
Hello. Hello everybody. My name is Nair. I joined in 1989 in PSI. I can still say that I am part of PSI because it only changes of name and the management still continue with the same company for 15 years now. I hope my may retire also under 5 years most probably. It looks like that. So otherwise things are good. I learned a lot of things in PSI. Grew up. Starting changes, so many departments from sales operations to export operations, finance to procurement. I am part of procurement now. A lot of people, I don't know actually if I am the one earlier to me. I would like it down to who gave me the letter at least. So let me give the letter.
Good morning and good afternoon to everyone. My name is Arun Kumar. I joined PSI in 1991 October. So I'll be completing about 24 years in the industry by this October. So I have some very fond memories of PSI since it was my first job and working with my career in IT industry. And one thing that I really notice in IT industry is when I see any senior guys, VPs, directors, or any of the guys who have completed substantial amount of years in IT industry, either they are from PSI, or from Wipro, or from TCS, or from HCL, one of these companies. So you won't meet somebody from these companies when you walk into any of the VPs or directors. So that way it shows that PSI was one of the pioneers in Indian IT industry. Even at that point in time, when many of the companies who are right now there in India were not even there at that point in time. I worked in PSI from 91 to 96, as I said. I worked as a developer on COBOL and Informix. I did a couple of trainings in Power Builder and all that. I was just about to build myself as a team lead at that point in time and moved to HCL Pero Systems. I was at HCL Pero Systems for about 3 years from 96 to 99. In HCL Pero, I traveled to different places like the US, Malaysia, and a bit of UK. In 2000, I joined IBM and I'm with IBM for the last 14-15 years. And even in IBM, I see that there are a lot of PSI leaders like Kamsa, Amar, Kalpana, Hari just left IBM last year, Pratap, Bala and Nagesh. So a lot of people from PSI, so still happen to meet them once in a while. And I've been working with IBM for the last 14 years. Right now I'm part of a transition team in IBM where we work on transitioning new projects in the AMS space from different clients and different industries and different countries to our company. And this year, there's not much of traction because not too many deals are coming up. Otherwise, the transition team will be quite busy and we'll be traveling to different places. Before performing transition role, I was in delivery, managing people, managing projects, managing business area. I did my project management certification in 2003. So basically, I launched on from my technical background back into project management and people management, program management in the last 10-14 years. Fond memories of PSI between 91 to 96, having worked with a couple of my managers here. So a couple of good things with PSI. We had a very nice culture where you could walk and talk to anybody. Unlike large organizations today where everybody is in a classroom and you can't meet them, you don't know who they are. It was not like that. You know everybody and you could talk to everybody and you built a lot of personal rapport also. And we also played a lot of cricket during weekends. Hari and Santosh, they also organized a lot of games, so we should be part of the team. enjoyed those days. One thing that I noticed in PSI at that point is people who were there at that point in time, they're real hardcore professionals. Be it Siddharth Sen, Sanjay Kabe, Dinesh Dutt, Guru, real hardcore professionals who are there to make career in IT. Unlike these days when everybody's IT, right? You see that change in the last 20 years. Plus, one thing that I see that at that point in time there's nothing like induction. So you're recruited on day one, you're on a job. So you are given a piece of code, somebody else would sit with you and you start working on that. So there was no model of orientation, 6 months training, shadow period, those concepts were not there. So it evolved for a bit of time. It would have been good if you had internet and Wikipedia and Google, those periods. So you would know what Bull was doing. So I realized what Bull was doing only after I got to access internet and Google. Even now also I keep on looking at what Bull does, what Bull mainframes are, and somehow in the IBM world and in the US world, Bull mainframes are not that popular. Though I think neck to neck they're as good and as competent. So then I realized, okay, Bull was linked to this product, this is services, and this is what they did, and this is the market that captured. I could realize only after 34, 50 years into the industry. And one more place where I kept seeing Bull is in cricket matches of old times. I normally watch cricket and I play cricket also. So if you look at any of the classic matches in England, India, England, Pakistan, England matches which are shown in different TVs, you see Bull logo. So Bull was popular and they were advertising at that point in time. So those are the funny memories. It's been a quite long time. It's about 91, 30, 23, 24 years since I joined us. Almost about 4 plus 13, 17, 18 years. But a good breakthrough and a good technical company to work with. And even now I know that people from Arun Rajeshwar and all that, this is the company where you really get rated for your real hardcore technical work. Unlike a lot of general work that you do in big companies. Those are my fond associations and memories. And I thank my managers and people that I worked in this organization. I look forward to be in touch with you in some way. Mr. Anand Mutalik was my manager.
Bagapa.
Good afternoon. I am Nagabhushan, and it is a great privilege to be here first. And I joined PSI 86, and I was there till 93. And the reason was many things, but entry to PSI is none other than your friend Venkatadri. Okay, so there was a lot of push-pull before joining. After completing my masters, I had no clue about what I'm going to do. And when I joined, when I was given a first job, like I said, that there was no induction. I was given a piece of code to write. I said I had no clue about it. Okay, I didn't know what to do. Then my first manager was reporting to Uday Maitra. Then brief period I was there with Ramakrishnan, who was sitting next to Uday Maitra in number 2 Victoria Road. Then moved with various places, and then Dilip Matthew was my manager who helped me to shape up my career in the software development. And whatever that I am today, to a very large extent, I owe to PSI. Because today, I am talking to the governors and the regulators, and that knowledge came from PSI in the banking sector. And I am one of the few, I would say, where I had the opportunity to work on AS8, AS16, Motorola 68010, 20, and coprocessor 30. People used to ask me, what is this 2030? And not that. I went to the extent of even visiting Taglia to work on Omni, as well as SPM, who was our true customer from AS8 to the Bull mainframe. So that is something which I really cherish. And
Well, I was striking an engagement in France with Gemplus, where we were working on EMV smart card. Some dialogue came up and then said that, look, one of the lunch discussions said that I was with PSI and worked on Bull. Then I said, what did you do? I said, I worked on TDS. That is the end. And they said that everything went smooth subsequently in terms of working with them and signing of the contract. And this happened in 2002 when I was in Majoris, which we started. I was one of the co-founders there. So from 93 when I left in the beginning, I joined PFL Software. And from there, it's again, 93 I had absolutely no clue to leave the company. Because of my colleague's obligation, I have to leave PSI in 93. Yes, somebody said that, look, there were retrenchment and so many things. Mark Jennings made so many things, but I was not believing that, because in 91, I remember, we sold 9 mainframes. That was something which is really a record, I would say. It's not easy to sell 9 mainframes. And whenever I used to go for a dialogue with Dilip Matthews and Kanti Madinathan, there used to be meeting with Wipro and HCL for the banking group. And it was only PSI which never had any complaint, because to me, amongst all the products, homegrown products, AS8 was the most stable product. I think because it's wonderful. AS16 was, yes, because of hardware devices. I had many problems with Nagaraj, where floppy drive was not working, then processor had problems. So it was a very memorable one. And whatever that I am today, like I said, my knowledge has come from, which is a very good platform for me, the PSI, which helped me to grow, and also had a very good education on the banking sector. And today, I thank PSI for giving that opportunity. Thank you. Venkatadri, please. He was the one who introduced me to Altair.